what is the message to the first time?
Request everybody to come out and exercise their vote. It's a responsibility that we need to fulfill. Thank you.
Show the country that we are responsible and that we do care. Please come out and vote. Thank you very much.
Sir, just a small. Sir, one English bite, sir. English bite, sir. Just a small one, sir. Sir, sir. Wait, sir. Sir, for national media, sir. Sir, national media.